How to post videos on Reddit. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and search for the Reddit application. Look for any updates that may be available for this app. Now go back to your home page. Now this process you can either do it from your app or your web browser. Either ways, it is the same thing. Go to your web browser and go to reddit.com. Log into your account and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. From the top panel, select images or videos. Now select the title of your video and drop your media. At the top, you will see the option Select a Community. You can click on that and select your desired community. Click on the Upload Media option and select either Photo Library, Take Photo or Video, or choose Files. Now simply follow the prompts to post it on that community. That's all for today. Thank you.